Alexa, what does my diary look like today?
Oh my God, these feelings just begun. I'm saying things I've never said, doing things I've never done.
Welcome back to episode 3 of A Day in the Life of a Mortgage Broker. What we're going to do today in this video is go through the last stages of using a mortgage broker, what they do at the end of the transaction, and also how they get paid. So let's go straight into the video.
Never done. Oh my God, when I see you, I shoot it right. But I'm frozen.
So one of the last stages of the mortgage process is exchange of contracts. So you may have heard the solicitors mentioning that phrase, and what that means is that you will legally own the property. You may not have the keys, but you will legally, in the eyes of the law, own that property. So it's really important that your broker knows these dates, is liaising with your solicitor, and that you are aware of the exchange date. You may also hear the term completion. So completion means that's the day that you can get the keys to your property and then you can move in. Sometimes you can do an exchange of contract and completion on the same day, depending on the scenario, but generally it's normally exchange of contracts, and then a few days afterwards, or on agreed date with all parties involved, it then goes to the completion stage.
And in motion, and my head tells me to stop, feelings I feel about.
So the reason why I've mentioned the exchange terminology and completion terminology is because it's really important with the process with your broker. Your broker needs to be having that conversation with you because on exchange, as mentioned, you legally own that property. If anything was to happen to you within that transaction period from exchange to completion, you are still liable to pay that mortgage and liable for that debt. So it's important that the mortgage broker is having a conversation with you about getting some sort of life insurance, critical illness cover, income protection, whatever suits your needs and your budget in place. And that means that then you've got that peace of mind when you're going to the latter part of the transaction, that you know that you have got everything set up correctly.
I'm frozen in motion, and my head tells me to stop, but my heart goes. Cause my heart goes.
So you're probably thinking, right, so how does my mortgage broker get paid? So some broker companies charge a fee on application, some don't. So it depends on the company that you use and the service that you require. However, most mortgage brokers and mortgage broker companies get paid on completion of a transaction. So what that means is the bank or building society that they have placed your mortgage with, they will pay a small percentage of commission to the mortgage broker. So it incentivizes the mortgage broker and the company you're using to make sure that the transaction goes through, make sure it goes through as smoothly as possible for you, because that's how they get paid.
Oh my God, can't believe what I've become. I'm thinking things I should.
So thank you for watching the series of A Day in the Life of a Mortgage Broker. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for all your likes, your comments, and for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, then click the link, click the bell, and click all, and you'll get weekly notifications on the channel. There's loads of other videos, loads of other content. So with regards to products, with regards to processes and different transactions, documents you need through the whole process. Any questions you have, like I say, comment below. We love hearing from you, and speak to you soon.